Step into the world of wellness with 310 Shake, a nutrient-packed meal replacement designed for health-conscious individuals. Its balanced blend of proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals offers a comprehensive approach to nutrition. High in protein and fiber, it aids in appetite control, making it a suitable choice for weight management. Boasting more than 25 superfoods, this shake provides a robust mix of antioxidants and nutrients for overall health. Despite its nutritional richness, it keeps your calorie count low at a mere 110 per serving. However, no product is without its cons. Some find the taste less than stellar, and the price point might be higher than anticipated. Individual responses can vary, leading to potential minor gastrointestinal side effects. Those with allergies or on medication should consult with healthcare providers to avoid any adverse reactions. Remember, when considering 310 Shake, weigh the pros and cons to make an informed choice. Your health journey is unique, and so should be your nutrition. Click on the link for detailed review.